What's going on, guys? Been a minute since I posted anything, but we are going to upgrade my shocks on the old truck here. 2015 GMC Sierra 1500. We're going with the Rough Country M1s, replacing some Rough Country M3s that I put on there. You can see right there, it looks like they might be leaking. Maybe it's dirty, maybe it's both. I think they're leaking. I think I blew them up, blew them out, blowed them out. I don't know. They're very bouncy. They're not working. And I think you guys are right. I think they're upside down. They've been on there for 3 years. I just recently noticed they're bouncing a lot, but also been towing a travel trailer a lot more. I couldn't find a definitive like up and down for those as far as when you mount them, but these do top, bottom, so can't mess that up. So like I said, I have another video. A lot of people told me those were upside down. I found pictures and videos of people that did mount the N3s like this. In all of Rough Country's literature and stuff like that, didn't exactly say that there is a top and bottom, but I do believe that these are upside down, just like a lot of you told me they were in my other videos. So hey, appreciate it. They lasted 3 years upside down, and now I'm upgrading to some new ones. Let's get these bad boys mounted up. You're gonna need, I've got this one loose. You're gonna need a 21 mil and or 13/16, I believe is what that one is. Yeah, 13/16. And I've also got a 4-year-old that runs around here telling me how terrible a job I'm doing. So if you got one of those, I can say some stuff like that to you. It's very beneficial. All right, so I put the top one in first. I left this band on here, and then depress this piston a little bit, move this band off to the side, and this sucker come down slow. Have this bolt ready, and as soon as it gets there, put it in, because that'd be a pain in the ass to kind of press up. I mean, it's not that it's super hard and difficult, and it can definitely be done, but have that ready. I've got it to where it still needs to come out that side. So just take your hammer and hammer it in place. There it is. And didn't mess up any threads. Figure out where your nut went and put it on. Gotta find the nut. Okay, you see this right here?
Yeah.
That's what we're putting on. We're putting this one on and taking those old ones off.
Oh.
Yeah. So.
You want to do wild hair?
You do have wild hair. You always do.
Yeah, because I'm sleeping.
Oh yeah, that's right. All right, let's do the other one. All right. Second one's out. Also, I wouldn't put these glasses on until after you get shit in your eyes. It's always better just wear them top of your head until you get shit in your eyes, and then put them on your face, because it does nothing. Come on. Okay, there it is. It's just a bolt, man. How hard can it be? It's just a fucking bolt. All right, not too tight. Don't overdo it yet. Let's see if I can screw this up. Okay. This is gonna go in right here. Okay, there we go. Let's see if this is gonna work. Doggone, get your shit ready. There it is. I can't see, my glasses are fogging up. Okay. Oh, where's my hammer? There it is. You fucker. I'm gonna washer right here. Let's see if I can just kind of, oh, just pick up on the washer. You don't even have to use your hammer. Hey, yeah, so you see this little lip right here, a little washer? Just kind of fucking pick up on it. Idiot. Let's just hammer it in with your, let's hammer it in, use your hammer. Okay, let's tighten it up, and I'm gonna look up some torque specs. All right, so here we are. Passenger side, driver side, we're good to go. Once again, there's an arrow, top, there it is, and bottom. So, you know, in monotube, it's got the little piston, and then the deal in there, it separates the oil and air and, you know, all the voodoo that's in there. All right, there it is. Overall, pretty easy job. 30, 45 minutes maybe. Using all hand tools. If you've got, you know, air tools or whatever, you can get up under there and zip the bolts right out. Then you could probably do it a lot quicker. But you don't need anything. Just the sockets and that's it. You don't need to jack this thing up. You don't need to do anything. Just take the old ones off, put the new ones on, and tighten them down. The torque spec that I was able to find was 35 foot-pounds. Seems a little low. There's a bunch of them that I found out there everywhere, but that was the only one that, when I read it, it didn't seem like it was guessing. But I'll keep an eye on them. I get under this thing a lot, just to make sure all of my YouTube mechanicking is being held together. Either because I did it right, or, you know, because it rains and maybe the bolts just kind of rust in place. Anyways, good luck.